Every iconic singer has one thing in common, a unique sound, but how do you find yours? Well, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome, because you may have maybe your first time, but my name is Kalena from Voice Savvy, and in today's video, we're going to be talking through some practical tips that can really help you find your true unique sound. So let's talk about it. So tip number one is exploration. You've got to experiment with the different genres outside of your comfort zone. Try jazz, rock, pop, R&B, country, opera, whatever inspires you. Keep testing the waters vocally, and you might be surprised where your voice truly shines. So just experiment. Tip number two is vocal training. Invest in vocal lessons with a good vocal coach, because they will really be able to help you to understand your voice, your range, strengthen your voice, identify areas of improvement, and a good teacher will also really just push your boundaries technically, and they'll be able to help you when it comes to honing your distinctive natural tone. Tip number three is embrace your imperfections. Don't obsess over your imperfections. Whatever you perceive as vocal flaws could actually become your signature sound. Think of those iconic raspy and gravelly voices, Work with your unique qualities rather than against them. Tip number four is emotional connection. Now connect deeply with your emotion and the meaning of your song. Your distinctive experiences and feelings will really influence how you interpret and deliver the lyrics of your songs, So let your heart guide your voice. Tip number five is influence, don't imitate. Now let your vocal idols inspire you, not dictate your style. Study and borrow those elements from your favorite singers, the ones that you admire, but always make sure that you put your own stamp on it and blend their techniques with your own unique voice. Tip number six is record and reflect. So regularly record yourself singing and listen back critically. And this is really going to allow you to monitor your voice, monitor your evolution, and just pinpoint distinguishing elements in your voice. Reflection is the key to finding your unique sound. Tip number seven is authenticity. So above all, be authentic to who you are as an artist. Emotional honesty and individuality will always resonate. Your true sound emerges when your voice really just infuses with your soul. That's pretty much it from me. Remember, your voice tells a story that reflects your inner world. With self-care and awareness, you can really share your distinct sound with the world. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to really stay up to date with the videos I'm posting here on YouTube. But I also have an app that is free to download on the App Store and Google Play, and I have a whole bunch of challenges, vocal workouts, and training on those apps, and or on that app, should I say, and it's free. So yeah, download it, and thanks for watching. I will see you soon.